How to create a checkerboard mask effect in Affinity Photo. The same approach can be used to create all kinds of masks as well. So go to Layer and New Layer, then go to Edit and Fill. And I'm going to fill it with black. Click Apply. Then go to Filters, down to Colors and Procedural Texture. Then go to the presets at the top and go down here, and there's a whole range of different presets. Go to the basic shapes and you should find checkered. Select that and you can then see a checkerboard. You might decide the square count there is too high, so you can just reduce it down, maybe go for something like 13 or 12. And then click Apply, and you see you've got these black and white checkers. To turn it into a mask, go to Layer and down to Rasterize to Mask. And you can see now you've got your mask effect applied to that image, to that layer. Also, you can go here to the mask itself in the Layers panel and just drag it down, place it on there, just as you can see a blue highlight there, and release. And now it's associated with that image. Say you decide you want a background, you can go to Layer and maybe New Fill Layer and just fill it with a gradient, anything. And you can see you've got the fill layer there. Simply just select it and then drag it below the actual image and release. Now you've got your background as well as the mask effect. You can also create an interesting checkerboard effect by simply going to this layer, right-clicking and duplicate. With this duplicate, you can now modify this mask, reposition it. So select the mask, go to the Move tool, and then Move. And you can then just see you can create a variety of different mask effects. You can also select the background and also move that and reposition it. Maybe create some effect like that, or maybe drag it into those gaps. Also, you can always add some effects. So with that background selected, go to Effects, click there, go to Outer Shadow, and then increase the radius and offset to create an interesting design that way. Or maybe go for 3D and click Close. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Thank you much.